Right, kababayan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kung saan man kayo nanonood, no? Alright, this is Chart Quick Sessions. So, weekly ito, kasabay rin ito nung PSEi recap weekly natin. Alright, ito yung mga nag-request via Instagrams or dito sa YouTube na nag-comment sila and then pinapacheck nila yung mga positions nila or they would likely to buy tapos hindi nila alam kung saan yung mga price range na magaganda. And generally speaking, you treat this as a trading resource, no? I know kung gaano kahirap yung market, alright? Probably you have brothers and sisters, hindi mo naman makausap sa tungkol sa stock market. They have no idea, alright? So yun sana yung pinapresent ko, no? Another second set of eyes or another opinion, no? To validate or invalidate your ideas. And again, tulong ko na to kasi alam ko sa mga kababayan natin, marami rin yung talagang gustong mag-invest sa market. Alright, again, this is Chart Quick Sessions. Alright, lahat ng chart na ipapakita dito is nag-close sa September 14, no, last Friday. And before we start, yung laging hinahanap na halos ng mga karaniwan to, yung quick word from our sponsor, no. So, 6 days you shall labor, but on the 7th day you shall rest. Even during the plowing season and harvest, you must rest. Exodus 24:21. Alright, ano naman yung kinalaman yan, sir, sa trading? Alright, marami sa atin yung nagtatrabaho, no? And lalo na sa trading, merong movement na parang ang mangyayari is ang pinupush ng mga ibang educators natin is mag-aral daw tayo, huwag daw tayong titigil sa pag-chart, sa pag-a-analyze, magpuyat, abutin ka ng madaling araw. So, mali yung ganun, no? And maliwanag naman dito, kaya rin isinulat to, mahalaga kasi God would like to remind us na we should take rest, no? Take care of our body, recharge and refuel, no? For the week, no? So, nandoon na nga yung formula, bin-breakdown na, no? 6 days ka magtatrabaho, and then 1 day kang magre-rest. Alright, swerte nga tayo. Alright, may mga ibang trabaho, 6 days ang trabaho talaga. May iba naman is Saturday and Sunday yung rest, no? So, ang sinasabi ko lang dito is nandito na yung formula, no? It was already written and told us, no, na kinakailangan we should take care of our physical bodies, no? Actually, hindi lang sa physical, no? Probably you're resting, tapos yung mind mo naman paikot-ikot, stock market pa rin yung iniisip, no? Or mga problema or mga bayarin, no? So, we should take rest, alright? Para, tawag dito, mas maganda yung maging productive tayo, no? So, very counterintuitive, no? You're gonna take rest, tapos, mas magiging productive ka, no? Kasi ang iniisip mo, pagka tumigil ka ng pagtatrabaho, teka, sayang yung oras, sayang yung time na mag-a-analyze ako, no? Ito na yung formula, guys. It was already figured out to you. You should take rest, no? At least once a week. Yan na yung formula, no? When you come to think of it, sinabi pa nga dito, even sa harvest season, no? No? Baga sa market, kahit bull run, pare, papahinga ka rin. Alright? Again, very refreshing na naman yung words ng advice dito ng Bible. Again, hindi ako magsasawa sa inyo na magsabi, again, read your Bible, no? Or probably you're listening for a few weeks or a month now. It's probably time na you purchase one, no? Bible. Malaki talaga yung tulong nito sa buhay natin, no? Alright, PSEi recap rules, no? So, ito yung mga rules na paulit-ulit kong sasabihin sa inyo and to remind you na ito yung mga nakita ko talaga na malaki yung maitutulong sa trading or sa investing natin, no? So, number 1 na dyan, take responsibility of your trades. Alright? Hindi mo na sisisihin, no? Yung market, yung guru mo, or yung inflation rate, or mga government officials, kung natatalo ka, no? You have to take responsibility, no? So, lahat ng gagawin mo sa market, sa'yo nakasalalay lahat, no? It's all about you. No? So, kinakailangan yung word na take responsibility, no? Alright, number 2, protect your capital, no? Alright, ngayon, medyo on a slide down yung market, medyo mahirap siya i-trade, but at least you're still managing your losses. No, mas maganda 'yon, no? So you're seeing kung gaano kahirap yung market, hindi siya puro profit, no? And again, you have to see the cycles, no? Bull run, bear market, sideways market, and until such time you have gained enough experience and observation na you will be able to really navigate, no, yung market, no. And number 3, keep in mind that trading is all about probabilities. Alright, maliwanag naman yun. Walang setup na 100%. And if you hear someone saying that na 100% tong setup na to, go away and run from them, no? Niloloko ka nun. It would only take one bad news or one good news para i-reverse kung ano man yung na-analyze mo, no? Again, as you progress sa market, you will realize na it's not about the indicators, the signals, no? It's not about the MACD, no? Or the fundamentals of the company. But what really matters the most is you. Alam mo yung tendencies mo, yung strengths and weaknesses mo, and then how are you going to incorporate that sa strategy mo para mas gumanda yung outcome mo, no? So, ano yung setup na maganda ba sa'yo, yung time frame. So, lahat yon custom tuning, no? Iba-ibang tao, iba-iba rin yung kanilang interpretation and yung kanilang mga strengths and weaknesses, no? So, again, you would like to copy or take note of this. Napakaganda nito, no? To probably remind you yung mga key components na sa tingin ko mahalaga para ka mag-succeed sa trading. Alright, let's start. We have yung MRC Allied. Alright, napakaganda naman nung sumisikip dito sa line na to. Around 0.70, no? But for me, I'd like to wait more, no? Sa MRC Allied, I'd like to see and wait for some more days, no? I'd like to take out tong 0.75 na resistance area na to, no? Once it is taken out, no? Napakaganda nung chances na magtuloy-tuloy kasi if you're going to enter at 0.68 and then probably ma-reject sa 0.72, so malit yung chances mo, no? Very tight yung reward mo compare sa risk, no? So again, just for me, no, I'd like to see it break yung 0.75, 74 area bago ako pumasok. Again, for the next week, if the index drops, the more that you're gonna see this place, no, yung MRC, no, isa to sa mga, again, sinabi ko na, isa to sa mga stock na kapag ka-sleepy yung market or wala masyadong gumagalaw, dito na pupunta yung attention ng mga tao, no. And again, for newbies, I would not recommend this to you kasi mahirap to i-trade. Malaki yung swings nito, so very, very ideal naman to sa mga intraday, no? Nakakasubaybay sa market. Alright, ayan yung tingin ko sa MRC. Alright, next chart tayo. We have Vulcan Industrial Mining. To tell you the truth, hindi ko siya nasubaybayan, tong Vulcan, no? And thank you sa nag-request nito kasi at least pumapasok na siya sa radar ko ngayon, no? Alright, what we can see, we have a breakout at around here, no? Sa area na to. And then we have a mini consolidation, no? Dito sa area na to. Alright, for Vulcan, again, same with MRC. Again, kapag sleepy market or yung mga index names nagbababaan, yung mga ganitong stocks is nag-aangatan naman, no? For some unknown reason. Again, ang gusto ko dito sa Vulcan na mangyari is I would like it to check, no? Check yung around dito sa area na to, no? Sa 2. If you're pretty much bearish sa bull, again, I would like to check if kung paano siya magre-react dito sa 2 area. Especially, we have already seen na may rejection na nangyayari at around 2.35 area, no? 2.35 area, we have a rejection dito sa bull. Alright, again, I'm expecting a retest at 2 or 205 area, no? Dito sa Vulcan. And let's check and see, no? Especially nga, if index still goes down and breaks down, again, definitely yung market would shift dito sa mga ganitong klaseng stocks. Alright? That's what my take on Vulcan. Again, we're already seeing rejection at around this area, no? 2.35 area and 230, they're also rejecting. And then para mas maging maganda naman yung risk-reward ratio mo, I'd like to see and check yung pag-retest niya sa 2 or 205 area. That would be an indication of how good the support is, no? Sa Vulcan. Again, that's my take on Vulcan. And we have Alliance, Select Foods, no? Alright, food is a very, very good stock, no? If you are investing for a long term, back-to-back, quarterly 1 and quarterly 2 na strong earnings, kaya naman nag-spike yan dito, no? Itong spike na to coincides sa release ng quarter 2 reports, no? That only goes to show kung gaano hindi siya ina-expect ng market, no? So, again, pag quarterly earnings, once na nag-spike yung stock, again, ibig sabihin nun, they're not expecting it, no? So, lahat nagmamadaling bumili. So, yun yung nangyari dito. Again, last time, I tell you not to buy, no? Kasi bumababa siya. Again, now, we could clearly see na yung 1 peso is a good area of support. And, for me, no, I would like first to see and check, no? Napakaganda. If this would hit 1 again, this is a very, very good buy, no? I'm going to tell you. Hindi na to bababa dito sa 1 peso na to, no? If you could still buy at 1 peso, napakaganda nitong Alliance Food Select. Especially, we are nearing yung third quarter. Probably, maganda na naman yung earnings. Itong current level niya, probably lalagpasan niya lang. No? If the good... And again, if for some unknown reason, may pumasok talaga dito and it breaks 1.2, no? Or 1.25 area, I would not hesitate na especially kung may volume na pumasok din dito sa food. Kasi nga ito is fundamentally driven, no? Itong stock na to. And again, if wala naman masyadong news, probably a retest on 1 or 105 and then it will probably form yung double bottom, no? And again, finally break out yung 1.2, 1.25 level. Alright, that's my take on food. Again, do not hesitate to buy at 1 peso or if it breaks yung 1.25 or 1.30 area, that's already also a good buy, no? Back-to-back quarterly earnings na napakaganda. And that is my take on food, no? Alright, yung isa pa ni request is Lopez Holdings. Again, look at the chart. This is the bottom, 3.6 area, confirm. And then, if you're trend following, napakaganda nito, no? Subaybayan, no? And again, mapapansin mo, the price is tightening around this area, so 4.94 is a good buy, no? Especially, this is a late surge rotation, and this is a good buy, no? 4.94, maganda na siyang level, no? And magandang i-trend follow, no? Itong LPZ. Tahimik lang siya, but as you can see, it's already confirmed na ito nga yung bottom niya talaga, no? So, it's recovering, no? It still has a gas, no? Para umakyat pa ulit. And currently, nag-hesitate ngayon kasi medyo bearish yung market. Alright, LPZ. As I look yung quarterly earnings nito, maganda rin naman yung LPZ. Right? More than double digit yung net income niya. And that's what I think and take, no? If I were you, I would not hesitate, no, to buy yung 4.94. Again, pagka ganito yung formation ng candles niya, most likely hindi na magre-retest niya, no? Parang ganyan na lang yung consolidation niya. And then mag-aantay na lang ng another buy, no? Para sa market, no? Alright, that's what my take on LPZ, no? Lopez Holdings. Right, we go on to Primex Corporation, no? Primex Corporation, no? Mapapansin mo, nag-start yung run at around this area, no? Before yung announcement ng project nila sa Primex Tower sa San Juan, no? Again, ang maganda sa stock na to is yung company is buying back, no? There's a buyback program sa Primex and it is being supported by and confirmed by price action. Again, yung Primex would not give you yung talagang malalakas na movement, but for trend following, napakaganda nito, no? Again, if I were you, or I would likely to check and see yung 4, no? Maganda na yung 4 area, no? It's a good support, and para i-trend follow tong Primex Corporation. Again, bumibili yung company ng mga shares sa market, thinking na in the near future tataas yung stock nila, no? So they think that it is being undervalued. And again, Primex Corporation is an example of that, no? Yung buyback program, it's being confirmed by an uptrend and yung price action, no? So this is a good indication, and from what I check, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung buyback program, no? And 4 is a good area, no, to buy, no? Itong Primex Corporation. Again, that's my take on Primex Corporation. Let's now move on to URC, no, Universal Robina Corporation. One of the strong names, no, sa index, but is currently nai-hit siya, no, kasi part siya ng index, but two good news para sa company is yung development ng Vitasoy factory. Again, same with Primex, no? Nag-discuss natin kanina, yung storyline is being confirmed by the price action, no? But currently, it's being hit, no? Kasi kasama siya sa index, so lahat medyo nagpupulasan. Again, if you could buy this at 140, this is a good buy, no? Especially kung hindi mo naman masusubaybayan yung market, these are the kind of trades that you would like, no? Yung trend following ka lang, no? Wala ka masyadong in-expect na big movement, but you are very sure na uptrend naman siya, no? Confirm na naman tong bottom na to. And it's currently on an uptrend, no? So URC, we have yet to see kung maganda yung magiging net income niya for quarter 3. But recently in-acquire din niya yung Rojas Holdings, no? Sugar operations, no? Para rin ma-streamline yung company. Alright, management is expecting a turnaround for 2018, but again, malayo-layo pa yung aakyatin nila, and again, let's try to check and see, no? Again, if I were you, I'm going to check yung 140 kung makakabili pa ako doon, no? That seems to be a good psychological and technical support, no? 140, that's what my take on Universal Robina Corporation. And let's now move on, no? TBGI, ISM Communications, no? Alright, etong area na to, papunta doon, this was, nag-spike siya due to Dennis Uy, no? Dennis Uy is already, nag-increase siya ng shares dito sa ISM, no? But currently, it's struggling, but it's good, no? Seems to be 2.9 is holding, and kung probably next month, next 2 months na yung if pagbabasihan na natin yung technicals and what it's already saying, I think ISM has a good chance na sila yung maging third telco. Although, hindi pa naman natin dinidismiss yung Now and TBGI. Again, kung if technicals has a story, I think it's ISM is doing it, no? But again, hindi pa na nga natin alam lahat if yung mga ibang company has plans or may mga iba pa silang barahan na hindi nilalabas. But from the look of it, ISM seems to be looking good, no? Again, 2.9 is a good area, but again, don't expect anything, no? Unless we have all the full disclosures, no? Again, you can buy at 2.9, probably medyo mid-term, long-term mo. It will give you a reward, no? Kasi itong ISM naman to, once probably na ma-confirm na siya yung third telco, baka yung 2.9 yan, hindi mo na yung makita, no? Again, if magbaliktad naman yung analysis natin, naging mali, alright, cut loss agad, no? Kung hindi niya na masustain yung level na yan. Alright, let's move on sa last na pick natin. Alright, TBGI, Trans-Pacific Broadband Group. It's currently losing momentum. It's on a downtrend. Again, hindi pa natin alam talaga kung sino yung mananalo sa third telco. But for me, from what I'm seeing, 0.52 seems to be a good buy to anticipate, no, dito. Again, but for me, hindi rin ako maglalagay ng buying tawag dito, instruction sa 0.52, but I'd like to see muna yung confirmation, no? Yung surge o pagtaas ng price and volume bago ako bumuli. Lalo na pagka ganitong downward momentum. On the side muna ako, I'd like to check and see muna kung ano yung magiging reaction ng market, no? And lalo pa tong ganitong klaseng pagbaba, medyo delikado to talaga, no? This is the killer of the funds, no? If probably meron ka nito, you should start liquidating, and then kung talagang very bullish ka dito, establish ka na lang ng bagong base, no? Alright, that's what I think of Trans-Pacific Broadband Group. And again, maraming salamat sa panonood. And again, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button, no? And probably makakuha ka ng mga updates, no? Every week to, no? Umaraw, umulan, may updates tayo, no? I hope that you're getting value, no? Sa panonood ng video na to. And again, maraming salamat. Again, this is PSEi recap. Let's see next week kung ano yung magiging mangyayari sa market, no?